In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of Hootsuite, an essential tool for managing your social media presence efficiently. If you're looking for a way to streamline all your social media activities in one place, you've come to the right video. We'll start with the basics of signing up and logging into Hootsuite, and then we'll dive deeper into some of its powerful features for managing your social networks. Whether you're a social media manager or just someone interested in enhancing your online presence, you'll find these steps incredibly useful. First things first, if you don't already have an account, you'll want to visit Hootsuite's website at hootsuite.com. Here you can easily set up an account. Once that's done, go ahead and log in so we can continue with the setup. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard where you'll see a profile icon. Click on this, and from the drop-down, select either Manage Social Networks or My Profile, whichever you see available. This is where you'll connect your different social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Simply click on plus add a social network, choose your desired platform, and follow the subsequent prompts to authorize access. This step is crucial as it enables Hootsuite to pull in the necessary data and allows you to manage all your accounts from one central hub. Once your accounts are linked, you can set up streams, which are essentially a way of monitoring various feeds, mentions, messages, and hashtags from your connected accounts. Look for the Streams option in the menu and select it. You'll need to choose a social profile first, and then decide on the type of stream you'd like to add, such as your home feed, mentions, or even specific searches. Add streams for different accounts and objectives to get a well-rounded view of your social media activity all in one place. Next, let's move on to creating and scheduling posts. Hootsuite makes it easy to manage your posting schedule. Click on Create Post or New Post depending on what appears on your screen. You'll be prompted to select the social profiles you want to post to. After you've selected one or more profiles, type out your message and add any images or links you want to include. If you're looking to publish it immediately, click Post Now. However, if planning is your goal, select Schedule for Later and pick your desired date and time. To keep track of all your posts, use the Publisher or Planner feature. This tool displays your scheduled content in a calendar format, allowing you to easily edit or reschedule as needed, ensuring everything is organized just the way you like it. Finally, don't forget to check out the Analytics section by clicking Analytics from your dashboard. This feature provides insightful data on how your posts are performing, helping you make informed decisions on future content